So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add baggage on AirAsia. So the first thing you want to do is to open up airasia.com. So it's going to look something like this. So you can see AirAsia on here: app, purchases, check-in, FAQ, flight status, support, promotions, and some other stuff that is also available to you. So through here you can see flights, hotels, and so on. But what you need to focus on is to add baggage through your purchases, or there's a different way, but I'm just going to show you that in a second. So first off, go to your purchases. You will find your active purchases, and then you will see under your bookings the option to add baggage as an add-on. So once you clicked on that add-on, you can choose to add that baggage, so you don't have to worry about if you've taken up too much space, or if you are going to get denied because of too much baggage at your flight. So just make sure that you've booked and added that baggage through there. Another way to focus on this would be to go to your booking and add that baggage while you're making the booking. So on there, just choose a certain flight, and you will see straight away the option of add-ons. So you can click on this. Once you fill out the first step, you will get add-ons and you will get additional baggage on there. You just need to pay a certain fee for that, and you will have that baggage that you require. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on AirAsia or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.